Alright, let's look at chapter 1, the test, version 1, number 7. So we've got this box here on the right, which has 6 sides, 6 planes, right? Or 6 easy to see planes. And we want to name the intersection of planes CFLH with JMLH. And this one I think is probably the trickiest of the 3, just because this one's a little bit different from the other ones we've talked about. So, let's find CFLH. So that's right here. So that's the front of the box, right? And then if we look at the plane that it is supposed to intersect, that's JMLH. So J to M to L and then over to H. So if you think about where this back floor hits or intersects this front wall, hopefully you can see right here that they hit each other right there on that segment on the ground, right? Well, that's segment HL, right? Or LH, whatever you want to call it. And that's it. That's it. Okay, name 2 planes that don't intersect. Well, there are a few options here. So we could say the front wall and the back wall. So the front wall I could call CFLH. Make sure you just go in order when I label this. Notice I'm going around the shape, not crisscrossing through the shape, right? So CFLH doesn't intersect the back wall. So let me get rid of all this stuff here. And the back wall I could call DGMJ, right? So DGMJ. And you only need 1 pair. You don't have to name more than 1 pair. Some of you name 2 pairs, but you don't have to. So that's 1 pair. So this is really front and back, if you think about it. Okay. We've also got this side here and the other side here. So I could say CDJH and FGML. So that would be like left and right. And then we have, let's see, what have I left out? Top and bottom? Yeah. So DGFC and JMLH. DGFC and JMLH. Top and bottom. Okay. Then we got part C. Name 3 different planes that have FG in it. Okay, here's FG. So 2 of them should be pretty obvious. There's this plane right here, right? That has that bar stuck in it. And there's this plane on top that also has this bar stuck in it. So let's name those first. So the top one, DGFC. The F's a little covered up here, but that says F. And then the one on the side here is, we could call FGML. Okay. Now there's one more plane that we can name here. There are a bunch of planes that go through it, but only one we can name, one left. And so that's the one that slants through the room, starts here, and goes over to there. Right? So it cuts right through the middle of the room with that slanted rectangle. So that one we could call GF to H to J. That's just one way of labeling it, as long as you go around in order. Okay? Hope that helps.